everybody, you're listening to the tuner audio samples of the Radio Master coupled with the Stereo Color N5 Mk1. So we continue the music and we continue the live show. As you can see, there's Stereo Color doing all the mastering for myself. And now we're going to listen Michael Jackson trailer, very beautiful. As you can see, you are hearing also the sound, the noise of the Radio Master transmitter. So we continue, and well, this is very cool. So this is Michael Jackson.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it.
And now we're going to listen to another track, which is very nice also from the 80s. This is Iron Cara. So now we're gonna listen to another track. This is Bader Davis A's. I don't know. The Kim Carnes, I think so, something like this. So well, we're gonna listen this track and with processing, with the stereo color processing.
Lips, sweet surprise.
As you can see, my voice is also processing. It's also processed, sorry.
She's got Betty Davis eyes. She'll turn the music on you. You won't have to think twice. She's pure as New York snow. She got Betty Davis eyes. And she'll tease you.
And so now we're going to listen to another track. Oh yeah, this is nice, it's very cool. Let's go. This track is very nice, and we're going to listen another one. What can I find? I'm going to see what can I find. I'm sorry for the noise, because there is a Radio Master running behind me on my desk, so that's why we have a big noise on the microphone. So we're going to continue the track, and let's go this. As you can see, the stereo color is doing all for me. The sound you're listening is tuner audio samples with the Radio Master 350 LE Mark III with the Stereo Color N5 Mk1.
So hard to find, and one night past ain't really what I had in mind. I need you
the mixing board, I'm just using Behringer XENYX Q802 USB. So it is a very small mixing board connected to the stereo color and goes to the transmitter. And as you can see, it is pretty easy to get a very cool result. So now I'm gonna want to show you another track. Let me show you a few seconds. Oh yes, this sound can be very cool too, as I love the 80s music. Let's go. Remember, the sound you're listening is coming from the Radio Master through the tuner, DENON Tu-215RD. The audio output of my mixing board is connected directly to the stereo color and then to the Radio Master.
Don't worry about nothing, cause it won't take long. We're gonna put you in a trance with a funky song. Cause you gotta be hanging tough.
And as you can see, it is pretty easy to get a very, very cool result.
We're rough.
All the mastering is done by the stereo color.
Don't cross our path, cause you're gonna get stopped. We ain't gonna give anybody any slack. And if you try to keep us down, we're gonna come right back. And you know when hanging tough, hanging tough, hanging tough.
So now I want to show you another track. Let me find if I can find some great track. Oh yeah, this one. Oh yes, this one is great. So we're gonna listen a very short samples. Sorry for the noise because there is a transmitter running behind me. So now we're gonna go for another track. This one is very cool too, so we're gonna listen to audio samples also because I love this track. Let's go. Ça donne envie de faire de la radio ce truc. Well, if I continue, I think I can continue for hours. So yeah, it's very difficult to me to stop this because it's so cool. So I really want to continue, but I have to be careful for the time of the record.
Oh, Sheila, you know I want to be the only one. Oh, baby, understand that I want to be the only man.
In unfortunately, this transmitter, the stereo color is not for me, it's for a customer, so, but I really want to get it. Okay, so now we're gonna to continue with another track. I really need to stop it now because the record is very long, but you know it's so cool. So I'm gonna to show you another track I really like, and yeah, this is a very cool track too. Let's go.
He's a friend. Yeah, I know he's been a good friend of mine. But lately something's changed, it ain't hard to define. Yes, he's got himself.
The sound is processing by the stereo color, the sound, and after it goes to the radio master, and the record is done by the tuner samples.
And he's holding her in his arms late at night.
And for the mixing board, I'm using the Behringer Q802, and it is a small format a mixing board. Very simple, and as you can see, I can get very beautiful result with outsounding result with no hard stuff. This is pretty cool.
You know, I feel so dirty when they start talking cute. I wanna tell her that I love her, but the point is probably moot. Cause she's watching him with those eyes, and she's loving him with that body, I just know it.
Okay, let's go for another track. Yeah, this one is very cool too, so we're gonna listen it.
Listen to the feel.
This is hot, this is beautiful.
Strangled by the wishes of fate. Open for the arms of fate. Get to me the sooner or later. Holding back the years. Chance for me escape from all.
Okay, so we're gonna to continue with another track. Let me show what I can find. Oh, this one is very cool, so we're gonna to listen also samples.
I don't care what they think.
Oh yeah, this one is very nice track. I hope you enjoy. Wow, we are on live with a radio master and a stereo color.
I'm gonna beg you to stay. I don't care if they start to avoid me. I don't care what they do. I don't care about anything else but being with you, being with you. Honey, don't go, don't leave the scene. Be out of the picture and off of the screen. Don't let them say we told you so. They tell me you love me and then let me go. I've heard.
Okay, so now there may be the last track. What I can find is maybe this. I don't know what is it, but we're going to listen a few seconds.
Always believing. After the rush has gone, I hope you find a little more time.
Okay, so now what we're gonna to do now is to change the music style, and we're gonna to dance some very cool sound from the summer from 2003. It's but I remember it was a very hot time, and so we're gonna to listen this track. Very cool. very cool, and we continue the listening. We are on live show with the Stereo Color and a Radio Master. What you listen is a tuner samples. So what you're listening is the sound directly passing to the radio. Yeah. And from remember, I'm just using a very simple mixing board. It is a Behringer Q802, so it is a very simple mixing board, and all the processing is done by the Stereo Color. Yeah. That's so good.
Want to believe that we can fly. I wanna share your paradise. Come together. We got to come together. We got to come together. We got to come together.
Okay, now the record is quite long, so I must stop now. But it was a very big pleasure to speak to you. So maybe next time we're gonna to see each other from another track sound. Bye bye, I love you.